When we created this post request, we did this thing, right? We initialize the base URI, then there are three blocks given when then. And when we are executing this API call, when we made this request, basically it is creating on booking, and we are getting all the information inside this console. But in real life, we cannot reuse this thing, or if we need some particular data later, so we cannot use from this console output. So for that case, we just need to initialize or capture the output. That means the response body we need to capture. So in this video, we'll see how we can capture the response body from here. We need to add some more code, and then only we can easily capture the response. So let's see how we can do this thing. So previously we used log.all, this thing, to capture data inside this console. Now we don't need it, but you can keep it, it's fine. Now what I'm going to do, after the body, so this is the body equal to header here, we need to capture at the end, right? So let's do that. So to do this thing, at first we need to add a method extract. So I'm going to put my cursor over there, and then I'm going to type dot extract, and this is the extract method. It will extract total value. Then what it will extract? It will extract all the response data, right? So I'm going to add another method. It is called response. So it is extracting the response, right? And when we extract the response, we need to format it. So I'm going to format it as string. So I'm going to use as string method, and that's it. So we captured everything here. Now I'm going to initialize this inside a variable. So for that, I'm going to write on variable name, and it should be string, right? Because this is string. So I'm going to initialize it like this, a string response. Okay, so here we initialize this variable response, and this is string type because we are getting the string. So now I'm going to print this thing. You can use system.out.println, this thing, system.out.println, and here I'm going to print this variable basically. So I'm going to print that response. Okay, so like this, and also we can do another thing so that it is easy to understand whether it is coming from console or not. So I'm going to type some marker like this thing. This will divide that this is coming from this variable data. So once I complete this, then I'm going to run this thing. I'm going to click this small green icon, and it will be running, and it's finished running. Now if we increase the like area of console, we'll see. So here till this part was the previous console output, and this is the actual output here. So here we see this is the total API. So this is the booking ID, booking, some other information is there, right? So here the whole data is coming after the insert, and we are also getting this booking ID. Now if we need, we can directly capture this value and we can print it. Like for example, we want to check and see the booking ID, so we can also do from here.